Hey there everyone, welcome back to ShibaReviews.com. Today I am going to be doing a quick review of a product called Red Tea Detox. Are you tired of following weight loss programs that promises to help you shed stubborn body fat but end up making things worse? Are you looking for an effective way to lose stubborn fat and get that lean sexy body that you have always desired? If yes, then look no further than the Red Tea Detox. This is not a normal tea. It contains very effective natural ingredients that have been tested and proven to help melt stubborn body fat. If you have come across this program and you are wondering if it will help you get a slimmer and healthier body or if it will disappoint you just like other weight loss programs, then we are here to help you. In this review, we are going to discuss about the Red Tea Detox to help you make an informed decision as to whether to purchase it or not. The Red Tea Detox is a well-researched program designed to help you shed off extra fat stored in your body. If you follow the instructions given in this program, you can lose up to 15 pounds just by drinking this delicious and easy-to-prepare tea. The Red Tea Detox has been created by Liz Swan Miller, who has more than 10 years' experience as a neuropath. She is also one of the best-selling authors on Amazon. She created this program after conducting an extensive research that covered more than 500 studies. In this program, Liz has listed specific dishes that can be prepared using simple ingredients that are readily available at your local grocery store. The secret recipe that she has given in this program is based on an ancient African red tea recipe that is commonly used to flush out harmful toxins from the body as well as enhance the immune level. This delicious African tea will not only boost your energy levels, will also help to remove stubborn body fat that is stored in your body. The good thing about this program is that it does not require you to spend most of your time in the gym, starve yourself, use harmful supplements or crave for foods that lead to weight gain. It is a zero hunger recipe that will help you shed stubborn body fat. If you have very busy working schedule and you don't have time to go to the gym, or if you don't want to sacrifice your favorite meal in order to lose weight, then this is the right program for you. According to Liz, losing weight is not about deprivation, it is about detoxifying your body and eating superfoods that burn up quickly. If you follow the tips that the Liz has given, then you will eat more and still lose weight. If you want to lose weight fast and naturally, then the Red Tea Detox is perfect program for you. It contains well-researched information that has been tested and proven to work. In addition to that, the program is also very easy to understand, meaning that even beginners can follow it without much difficulties. This program is affordable and comes with 60 days money-back guarantee plus 3 amazing bonuses. If you pick it up through my below link in the description to get Red Tea Detox, you will get a special discounted price and I'll send you over all my special bonuses as always. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all tomorrow with another review. Thanks.